We use the simple past tense to talk about things that started and finished in the past. It's completed and over. There are two types of verbs in past tense: regular verbs and irregular verbs. What are regular verbs? Regular verbs are verbs that form their past tense by adding ed, like played, walked, or d, for example, liked, saved, to the base form. I played soccer on Monday. To form a negative sentence, we use didn't before the base form of the verb, no ed. I didn't play soccer on Sunday. We start the question with did. The subject goes next, and then the base form of the verb. Did you walk? Did I play soccer on Sunday? No, you didn't. More examples. You cleaned the kitchen yesterday. You didn't clean the living room. Did you clean the kitchen? Yes, I did. The party started at 8 p.m. The party didn't start at 7 p.m. Did the party start at 8 p.m.? Yes, it did. Tom and I watched a movie last night. We didn't watch the news. Did we watch a movie? Yes, you did. My parents visited Japan last month. They didn't visit China. Did they visit China? No, they didn't. Listen to this conversation to see how they use the simple past for regular verbs. Hi, Ben. I called you yesterday. You didn't answer. Hi, Anna. I know. I studied at the library. Did you finish your work? Yes, I finished it. Then I walked home. I stayed home and watched the movie. Did you like the movie? No, I didn't like it. It was boring. Hey, did you watch the game on TV? Yes, I watched it. It was good. I watched it too. Our team played well. Yes, I enjoyed it a lot. Me too.